Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the MavilimW buy sell alert indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the MavilimW buy sell alert indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 25 different strategies with a total of 6 winners. We've also tested a total of 388 indicators with a total of 158 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 158 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the MavilimW buy sell alert indicator. You can see it here on screen. So we've tested the Mavilim indicator before, but when we tested it before, we basically tested the line as it switched from one color to another. That would give us a buy or a sell. In this particular case, the buy sell labels come at different times on a different basis. So basically it looks like a price action break of the line itself, which again is different than the way we originally tested it. So setup on this is pretty easy. When we get a buy tag, we're going to go long. When we get a sell tag, we're going to go short. One thing I might do real quick here is turn off these background colors. Whew. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. All right, so we get a sell right there on that one. Almost immediately, though, switches to a buy. Then on the very next candle, it flips back to the downside for a short. That one does get us to take profit. Go ahead and continue forward here some. And we pick up a buy right there on that one. Once again, we get a pretty quick flip to the downside right there, just to go back to a long right there on that one. Pretty sure that got us take profit, 60 pips. Yes, it did. All right, here, let's continue forth. Let's see what else we can get. So we get a sell right there. Then it goes to a buy. And then back to a sell. Then back to a buy. Does look like maybe that buy got us to. It did. Got us to take profits. Then over here on this side, we pick up a sell. Let me measure the long wick on this guy here. Nope, not quite the 60 pips we were looking for. And then a buy over here on this side. Let's see where this buy takes us. Not very far before we flip to a short right there. And that one does finally get us to a take profit. Moving on now. Let this play out just a little bit here. Then we'll catch these. So buy there, stopped out by a sell on that one, which then gets us to take profit. All right, had some slight difficulty with the bar replay there. I'm not sure exactly what happened. Not sure if we are in the exact spot where we left off. I know we did not do these yet. Let's measure these out. That one does get us to take profit once this bar takes off to the upside. Continue forward here. And sell right there, which also gets us to take profit. So that will put us at the end of the year there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as the link to our Discord. Once you sign up for the Patreon, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. So if you use the MT platforms quite a bit, it's a very handy list for you to have. And our admins and regular members are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, exactly where they are taking profit, where they are entering trades, exiting trades, indicators that they're using, whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out there for everyone to see. And lastly, one new thing that I've been doing here recently is I put together a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so that, as a patron, you'll get that Excel list that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, with their win rates, as well as videos, links to go back and watch those videos, so that way you can see the strategies. And like I said, you'll get that list as well as the full list of indicators with their win rates and which ones were losers, which ones were winners. So a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Super cheap, very, very awesome stuff there. So back to the indicator here. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here. Interesting how it made these cluster patterns here. You see that a lot with indicators where they are using price action to kind of interact with a single line. You'll get these clusters of trades because normally you're getting bounced in and out of many trades. Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So we have 19 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 winning trades. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. This one falls victim to the same thing that many, many other kind of baseline indicators fall victim to. And like I said, that's the pinball action getting bounced in and out of trades like these areas right here, which tend to end up in a lot of losing trades before you can finally catch on to one that is a decent winner. So this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.